Hello everyone, it's me Kainat and I am from Bihar. I hope you all are well. So if you understand English but you are not able to speak, so keep in this video first. When you are at the beginner stage, okay, so first thing you focus on this. Don't focus on so much grammar in the beginning, okay. Beginners should not focus too much on grammar because it can make learning slow and confusing. At the early stage, the priorities should be understanding and speaking the language naturally. Focusing on grammar rules too early often creates fear and hesitation, which affects confidence. Just like children learn to speak by listening and repeating without knowing grammars, speaking, okay, beginners should also try to use the language freely once they gain some fluency and confidence, okay. Grammar can be added step by step to improve your language skill after, okay. Other thing, if you face difficulties in speaking English, then practice speaking as much as possible, okay. It is extremely important to remember that you should never be afraid of making mistakes, okay. While speaking English, mistakes are a natural part of the learning process, okay. No matter how many errors you make, don't stop, just keep speaking even if it is not perfect. The more you practice, the more confident and fluent you will be become. If you found this helpful, start practicing from today and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye. See you in the next video.